Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm just still waking up, got my coffee this morning. Hopefully, everything is doing great on your end. Hopefully, you had a nice Easter if you celebrate it. Let's jump into a big question. Why is crypto going down? And it's not just one reason, there are multiple reasons for crypto. And let's face it, the broader markets at large and why they're going down. I want to jump into a really interesting article. I've highlighted a few things I want to go over here in this video. So before we jump in, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because you're definitely going to like the information here I've got for you. So Bitcoin slips below the support level to 38.5K as US tax return deadline approaches. So what does this mean? A lot of people, today is the deadline, by the way. If you're not in the United States, you've got to file your taxes by today. A lot of people, in order to do that, they liquidate assets, right? So they liquidate things like anything they're up in the stock market, anything they're up in crypto. They've got to find some money to pay the feds, right? So that's or the IRS. That's exactly what's going on here. At least one of the reasons why crypto is down today. I went ahead and got on a shopping spree this morning when I woke up, because as we all know, you want to buy low, sell high. Today's a great buying day to go back to your blue chip assets. I'm buying Bitcoin every single day now. I'm buying Ethereum every single day. But I also went in and bought some Cardano this morning, some Solana, some Gala Games, some Shiba Inu, some of the other, heavy hitters that I really like for the long term. Now, per analytics firm Into the Block, 40,000 was an important support level for Bitcoin, as significant buying activity has happened right around this level in the past. So the latest decline means that the crypto has lost over 17% since testing waters above 48K. It wasn't that long ago. Bitcoin was closing in on 50,000 3 weeks ago. This is how volatile crypto can be, right? The weakness appears to have stemmed from tax-related selling and, in addition to that, a murky macro environment. Macroeconomics has a big impact on overall markets, geopolitical reasons as well. We've got a war still going on in Ukraine, right? For U.S. investors, the deadline to submit 2021 tax returns, as I mentioned at the top, is today. So this too could be pulling the market down a little bit as people liquidate assets in order to pay the IRS. Tax-related selling has definitely played a role. This is Jeff Anderson, CIO at quantitative trading firm and liquidity provider Volkswagen Trading, said in the Telegram chat. However, it's difficult to say exactly how much of the weakness has been due to the impending tax deadline and how much has been related to other macroeconomic and geopolitical factors, right? So one last thing here, crypto services provider Amber Group had a very similar opinion, saying a lot has to do with a poor macro conditions. So they're pinning it more on macroeconomics. Look at the equities and NASDAQ tech-heavy index. The tech stocks have got hit hard, and the rise in real yields. We look at crypto similarly. We could compare it similarly to crypto. They're very volatile stocks. Okay. Derivative traders seem to be positioning for an extended decline in Bitcoin as well, as evidenced by the rising put call skews, which measure the cost of puts relative to calls. So it looks like many people are betting Bitcoin is going to go down before it goes back up. But things can change on a dime. Again, 3 weeks ago, Bitcoin was up near 50K. And here we are back under 40K here this morning at 38.5 at its low point. So we'll see how low we can go here. We are back up over 39,000 here at the time of this recording. Overall market down about 3.5% to a $1.91 trillion market cap. But let me know your thoughts about all this. Of course, I don't think it's one thing or another. I think it's a multitude of things that's driving the crypto market and the overall market down right now. Macroeconomic factors, geopolitical factors, and it's tax day. You got to get your money into the IRS. So people liquidating those assets in order to do so. All right. Thank you so much for stopping in. Appreciate it. I will see you all in the next video.